DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing. AMG boys.
What's good everyone, Dish Panther here. Today I'm actually going to be doing a rear wiper delete on my Polo GTI. Now a lot of you guys have been asking for me to do this for so long, so today is finally the day we are getting rid of the rear wiper. So as you can see here, this is the rear wiper that everyone has been bugging me to get rid of. So it's finally happening today. You literally have to take this cap off, and then you got to get the little screw off, and then yeah, then that just somehow all comes off. We will find out in a minute. But yes, you got to take that off from the outside, and then underneath you got to take some bits out in the boot. But yeah, if I open the boot, as you can see, you have everything we need. You got the glue, and then we've also got the bun, I think you call it. I'm not too sure, but this one actually has GTI on it. Now you can get these from DSG mods. These are now available. They're just acrylic and they will fill the hole. You guys will see it later in this video. But they're just acrylic and they have GTI engraved on them. And then we also have the pulley wiper. Now this will be attached to the rear wiper, so we can actually get the rear wiper off. Now you can buy this as a whole kit on DSG mods. So if you do want it, make sure to go and cop it. And then also we've got a new sun strip because my one's got holes in it, so that won't be done in this video. But yeah, it would just be nice to get a new sun strip on. But yeah, let's get into it and let's start putting the rear wiper delete on. So as you guys can see here, there's like this little tab. It literally just pops up and then comes off. So once you've taken that off, then you need to get the arm puller, and the arm puller should literally just clip onto this, and it should just pull the wiper out. So I saw that in the video. Let's see how easy it really is. I'm not going to cut it. It does look like it pings off quite harsh. So yeah, let's just let's see what it does. Hopefully I don't break the car or break the glass. Yeah, let's get into it. So, change of plan. The little wiper kit that I just told you that fits this car, it doesn't. So essentially there's another way we're going to do it. That's going to help me because I don't want to break the windscreen. But yeah, so there's another way we can do it. I will show you guys us doing that, and then once I've got that off, I'll talk through the thing. So if I said there's a kit on DSG mods, it will be a different one compared to the one I've brought, because you need a bigger width. Let me show you. Essentially that's not going to fit around the wiper, so we gotta get a new one. So yes, without further ado, let's cut to us doing it the different way, and hopefully we can get this off. Right now. Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, we now have it off. So literally just got like this weird little knobbly thing. But yeah, so we're now going to take, I believe we've got to go to the inside now and then take some stuff off from, I think it's from under here. I believe somewhere under here we got to take a load of stuff off. So yeah, let's see what that does. But yeah, hopefully this looks cool, because I really want to do rear wiper delete for a very long time, and it will stop you lot moaning at me. So yeah, let's just get into the rest of it, and it should be good, So make sure you're liked and subscribed. We're almost at 10k, which is crazy. So keep following, keep subscribing, all that stuff. And yeah, let's get back into the video, and also go to DSG mods if you do want this wiper kit. But yeah, let's get back into the video. Right, so to take the rear parts off, you will need some T20s to take the top bits off. So we're going to do that, and then we get all the plastics out, and it should be all good. Alright guys, so we've now got it all off. As you can see, this is the motor there. That is the motor. That is the wind wiper motor that we are going to be taking off. And then you can see this is what we did take off. So yeah, let's get this off. There's I think there's 4 bolts or something we need to take off here. And then we can put the brand new GTI wiper delete kit on the Polo. So let's get into it. So just quickly, you do also have to take this little cable bit off here. You literally just need to pull it back on this little top bit, and it will just come off. I use one of these little sleeves, as I call them, and then yeah, like, it literally just comes off like that. So now we've got to do under these 3 or 4 bolts here, and then we are ready to put the rear wiper delete kit on.
I want those eyes to never be lonely. Let's make this night the time of our lives. Let's make this night the time of our lives. I want those eyes to never be lonely.
Alright guys, as you can see, we have now got the actual wiper motor all off, as you can see. So it is literally just free. You do need a 10mm socket. It's not going to focus, but yeah, it's 10mm socket just to get them three off, and then they're all done. You just undo them a little bit, and then you can use the rest of your hand to undo the rest. But yeah, let's get this on, and let's sort out how we're going to put the actual wiper kit on. Cool, so literally just to take this grommet that's left in, I literally just pushed it from the inside and it just pops out here. It's really easy, so yeah, I'd recommend doing that. But yeah, so now this is out, we can clean all the surface area up because you don't want any dirt getting into the glue when you're gluing the GTI one down. So yeah, let's clean it up and get the GTI bit installed. Also yeah, shout out to Sugarcoat, keeping the car always fresh. If you want to get anything for them, make sure you use my code, link in the description. Go hit up Sugarcoat. So essentially what we're going to do is we're now going to glue literally just around the edge of here. So you can see here it's lifted. You want to glue around the bit where it's not been lifted. So literally around the edge of here, and then it will just go into the hole, sat like that, and make sure it's straight. And yeah, so I'm not going to record this bit because I need to be able to make sure I do this properly, because I don't want it looking all out of shape and not looking cool. So yeah, I'm going to do this quick and then I'll show you guys once it's done. Alright guys, as you can see in the inside we have all stuck it down now. Yes, it is very gluey, but yeah, it actually looks quite good. It took a bit for me to try and line it up properly, but as you can see that is literally straight now, and it does look so much better without a rear wiper. So we're going to let that dry for like 24 hours. So when you do it, make sure you do not get water on it. I don't know where the jet is yet, so I'm yet to comment on that, and I will let you know in the comments. But yeah, that looks so much better already. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. That has been the rear wiper delete install on my car. As I said, you can go to DSG Mods and buy the whole kit or just the rear wiper on its own. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Get us to 10k. Follow me on Instagram at DSG Panther, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.